Ciao, nice people. Welcome on this new stream of developing with RPG Maker. As always, as every Thursday. Not every, actually. Whenever happens. That's the saying. That's the way of saying. Okay. That a lot of time passed from the last stream of developing on Respawn Banter. Not that much, actually. It was 3 weeks ago. Still a lot. 4 weeks ago, maybe? Last time we did the 3 and 4 persons banter, even if we had just 2 persons for now. But give time to time. What we are doing today? Well, not really sure myself. We need some refining touches for the game, because I will be soon launching the Steam page for the demo, or the game with the demo itself, even if the game doesn't release well, for a lot of time, I feel like. Okay, first of all, I want to show you here. Ah, that's old version. Okay, never mind. I built a hidden Steam page, so we can have an idea of how it really came out at the end. Oh no. I didn't think I needed to log in. Okay, so today we will do 3 things. First of all is check the Steam page and make some changes and review everything. Well, almost everything, just for the base page. Second, and I think that's it because we don't have time for the third one maybe, is reviewing the banter, how the banter works, because I think it can be optimized. It works now, but I maybe want to make some more order. For example, the banter at the slimes is split in 3 parts. The first banter of the slimes, or better, the small banter of the slimes, the first actual slime banter, and the second slime banter. And having 3 banters all in one event is well, it works, doesn't seem to lag, but I think it might need to be optimized. And see the option changes we made, because I think we can deactivate a lot of those for the demo for now. Still, I won't yet how is it, marketinize, divulge the word of the game, because I still think the page needs, or the game itself needs, more graphical updates to work. For example, another tile set, other clouds, and that's it. Can I show this? I don't think there are any. Okay, let's just see a bunch of things, though. Okay, I can show the preview of the final page, I think. I tried to play it on the game over thing, because I think I need a more catchy thing. Also, while we are at it, let's update with a new placeholder. Well, no, it's not yet, no, it's not anymore the placeholder, but it's near to the final version. I will show you here in small later the full picture. Or I can show you right away. Here it is. I've got the final key art. I was thinking about the clouds on the bottom, but I think it works pretty well. I just need to add the title. Maybe... No, I just need the title and everything else. I unfortunately don't have a trailer yet. I had planned the trailer, but again, I'm not in a hurry to marketize the game, so I can take my time. It's just for having a page online. So people might randomly see it. Okay. Who brings the hero on the game back to life? And why does the goddess of life always have to be so moody? Experience a witty adventure. I removed the comedy one because seems that people get higher expectations on some sort of cabaret sort of fun. I don't get it. So to avoid those problems, and they say the game is awful because they didn't laugh. Well, really annoys me. So let's remove the part that says it's a comedy game, and just let's just say unique sense of humor. After all, it is in a way. Also, the description and features, I need to change them because some of them are somewhat cringe. Let's see. The game over screen has always been a mystery. What is hiding behind it? Okay, I take the... Yet OBS still doesn't help on these connections. Didn't even try to reconnect. Well, my connection line is worse, never mind. The problem is the fault is not on OBS who doesn't... I didn't want to enter in that argument. Yeah, I was thinking how much OBS has fault in that, but it's not really. Tries to solve a problem another one provided. Never mind. Provided. It's not even funny. I'm sorry. Don't buy my game. Never mind. I think some of those are... I think... no. I won't do this in stream because it's text editing. It's not the most... yeah, I can't even concentrate on that. So I will leave it behind. Okay, so a bunch of things I want to edit. First of all was the order in the dialogues. Also, can I like play Respawn Bundle from here? Yeah, I already have. Let's see. If Steam says I play Respawn Banter. Because I uploaded a version. I should have uploaded it as a demo, maybe. Yeah, I should try also the online saves, after all. And disconnect it right away. For a moment there was the invalidate icon on the bottom. Weird that disconnects. Maybe disconnects to hide the fact I'm playing beta testing the... No, okay, Respawn Banter, here it is. Let's see if other people see it. Yeah. I might need to lower the audio. This is fine. Or remove it entirely, okay. Okay, so, language. It doesn't bug. Unfortunately, sometimes this menu does bug if I change language. But if I can read the language from the Steam, I think it's fine. I don't know how to do it though. So, never mind. Always run. Let's keep it. Those are the basic one after all. The full screen and start screen, I don't really know why one should have this off. Text sound, yeah, okay, I added this option. So if the sound of the text is annoying, they can remove it. And their accessibility ones aren't really well programmed, so I will probably disable them. No, okay, disable shake and flash, I will keep them. But the potato PC option, really, I don't even think it helps that much. Also, it's awful, the game without those, it's awful. Wait, not awful, okay, but removes a lot from the game. Okay. I don't think. Also it bugs because there is the clouds on the front. So I don't think it's optimal to leave those options for now. So we remove the potato PC options. But I will think about some ways to optimize the game. Because, yeah, MZ may lag a lot on older PCs. That's pretty weird. Ok. Vidustella option core keeps our options. So, the base one. Here. Potato PC. I will still keep them, but I will keep them hidden. Or maybe only when I'm beta testing. Even better. So, if I'm testing. So, if I'm testing, they will appear. Otherwise, they won't. Just to remove them on the final version. Also, I need to tweak the skip option. Because I really want to make them skip a scene only if they already seen it. So player won't skip scenes thinking, oh, I already seen that scene. That's probably annoying. Okay, I think I might remove that entirely. The skip event. No, we keep them. No tutorial explains that, so it's only if player mash the keyboard at random during cutscenes. So maybe I don't need it. Okay, we did one thing. Another thing I intended to make, other than making some order here, is making the sprites while talking slightly move as they are breathing. Okay. I saw recently a visual novel clip, I don't even know which, where the head stays the same, but the body compresses and expands. So that might be decent or possible to do. I'm not sure though. No. Don't lag on me. I will keep take out here probably? Okay. Let's take the hero. No. Everything except the light. Never mind. Okay. Here. So, the point is separating the head from the rest. It's not a problem since I will still separate the head from the rest. Since I will keep different expressions on every head. Let's create a copy. Okay. Let's... Now we cut and paste. I think it works like this. Okay. No. Yeah, please remove the... No. The opposite. Okay. We got everything. Let's see, my idea was something like this. Oh no, only sideways. A slight movement like this. There's a problem though, the cut needs to be perfectly horizontal. Otherwise there might be problems where I... Oh no, wait, that's another sort of problem. Yeah, there is a... Yeah, it needs to be done on a specific part. It's probably on the neck. So. Needs some more adjusting. So I need to keep a note on where I make the cut, though. I think it is fine. I need to remove some pieces of hair, but this is fine for now. I need to cut the face part. I still have the Waldorf base of the character, so I can use them to do it easily, maybe. Let's make a test. Yeah, I can't cut perfectly horizontally because there's something on the way. But... yeah, I will do... If it works, I will do later in a more, well, careful way. This is just for testing. Let's remove the piece of hair. Okay. Wait. I did the opposite. Oh, well. No. I did everything wrong. I need to add the pieces. Oh, well. Let's do it more quickly. One. Just to be sure. Okay. in broad strokes. Okay, so let's remove one side and let's get the opposite. Okay, now we have the head separated from the bottom part. It's not perfect, but for now it will do. So this needs to stay on the bottom part, but it's programmed that way, so it's not a problem. If I transform this one, it will shrink and enlarge. There's still a problem here. I need to add some black below, maybe. Yeah, it needs to be below. Or I just expand. If I expand, doesn't create any sort of holes. Just slightly, okay. I will try. There is a problem too. I need to... I can try in game and then find a way to place it on script. So, the I call this the test zone, personally. It's an incredible zone. What do you do? Nothing, perfect. Let's use you as an example. I need a parallel event for... I can do it on the plugin page. Still, I still don't know how to do a parallel event in a plugin page. Not a problem though. First of all, I want to see if the effect works. And just to be sure, let's add some colors so it will still work. Below. So this will still work. Okay. Okay. Maybe if it expands, it will come out. So wait. Okay. Maybe better. Maybe. Yeah. I won't expand by a lot. Now let's save them. I need the right resolution for it, so let's check, because I forgot how wide the characters are. So, hero, how are you? How wide are you? Okay, 1208. One, 280 on big cubic. Okay. And now let's save it separately. Bomb images. I will save the entire Photoshop here so it's quicker for the second part. Hero, cut. As a PNG, oh no. Well, for now. Let's save it anyways. And then we will save the head. It's so funny seeing the floating hair. Yeah, I needed to save the Photoshop here so it was quicker to come here, but it's okay. Floating head. Provisory files. Okay. Now let's check because it needs to... Does it need to have the right word? I don't think it needs the right name. Hero cut, I think, works as any other name. So, you make appear. You call the plugin to show the face. The hero. Here's the pose. the pose is cut. The head, the expression is the head. Floating head, was it? Yeah. I don't need any other setting for now. Let's test it. My stream did stop. Again. Okay, it doesn't load because there are some clouds here, right? Yeah. I don't need those anymore. Okay. The hero should appear as always. I'm invisible, but that's not a problem. Here it is. Okay. As always, there you might notice a subtle line on his neck, but it's solvable easily. For now, our main concern is trying to make it breathe. So, I will activate the switch 1. I'm making a parallel process. I don't think I will use parallel processes to make them breathe because I need to place one in every map or make a global one, which I don't really like. I will use the plugin if I find a way. So, if one is active, what will it do? So, we need to do something similar of the body changing position. You remember, or if you don't, we made a stream where we programmed the pose change of the characters, where they jump, they go down, they shrink a little, then return up with the pose changed. And feels like they made a jump to change the pose. That's a really great graphical effect, personally. So let's see how we made it. So we can replicate it in the future. Oh, right now. Right now, yeah. I think I can retrace how I did it, but it's faster to check here. Also, I need to comments. I need to place more comments, probably. So it's here where I forgot to wait. Here, jump time. Here it is. So yeah, change pose animation. Also, I should place comments in English. That's more complex than I remember. Okay, what does it do? Gets the coordinate. We don't need the coordinates. Well, we can get it easily. Let's copy everything. Why not? Okay, first of all, let's do this. Okay. Then let's go with the script. First of all, yeah, we get the coordinates, which are right here. It just game screen picture ID X. The picture ID of the hero, we will use the default value here. We hard code it, but just for testing how it will appear. So it's probably 3, right? Yeah. Okay. Where was I? Here. Then after the picture, I will pick sprite sheet. What is this? Ah, okay, I get the resolution of the image. That's smart. Yeah, let's use this, why not? I can hard code it too, but maybe this is even faster. 3. Okay. I might need a parameter portrait scale, but it's probably 100. Okay, No, is it? Maybe it's 50. Because if you zoom, yeah, it's 50. If you zoom, you see the portraits in the same in a better resolution, even. Okay. Then I get the parameters. I just need this one, the one of how much the portrait will change. And the time, probably. I will make a specific one for now. Var breath time. Let's make 5 seconds for now. It's in frames, so 300. Then image width. What's this? Okay, now what do? I move the image down and I shrink. Let's. I might need more space here. Okay. Interesting how RPG Maker hides the extra windows when I... Not anymore. Oh well. So what do I do here? I move the picture down. Okay, that's the first movement. That's the first movement. For both of them. It will repeat. So let's make different scripts. So I can make a wait or a loop in the middle. So I might need more zoom. It's fine. So the image ID for the pictures are 3 and 4 for now. Pose X. It's the one saved up, so we'll make a global variable with that name for now. Image width the same. Did I make a difference here? Yeah, image width, it's the final. Why it's 1 minus? That's weird, but it works in this way. So if I get a width, I need to multiply with 0.95, right? I forgot why I did it like this. I should have placed a comment, probably. Then image ID. The position needs, maybe because it's how much the picture will shift if you slightly change its width. Yeah, because here I have the position. While for the scale, it just takes scale jump change, not image width. Okay, that's not the right term, but not right term, it's more like the dual shift. Okay, that's clear, more clearer. So I need to save that value even here. Var image shift. It's equal to scale change. Was it? Okay, no, I need to get the image width. Okay, I need to duplicate. No, I don't need to duplicate image width. Okay, perfect. So it's... okay, no, I get it. I save here image width because it's the value, but then I will use that value to get another one. I should have used another variable, but it's fine, multiplied by one less scale change. Okay. I get all the correct values. I need to place them globally. The first one isn't needed. Okay. Okay. Then I think this one is right in the loop. I want to zoom this part. Not possible. So, move on the position X, which is... Where did I get it? Ah! Yeah, it's this one. Okay. Var... I don't think I even need that. Pos X equal to... And... pos Y equal to... I get the specific coordinates of the image. I don't think var here. Okay. So we get position X, or better the shift, then the position Y, plus I don't have a jump, then don't jump, so I don't need it. Portrait scale, it's 50. Where it is? Oh, it's global. Oh well. It's 50. I will hard code where I can. Multiplied by scale change. Which, this one, it's not really hard coded, so I can change the value how much I want. Okay. Y vertically, it's always the same. And this is the time. Jump time. Breath time. Ah, in the English streams I didn't place below the objective of what you are doing right now. I think it will help. For the next time. If I remember, I will do it. Here even. Scale change. All global variables. Perfect. Okay. Now the loop needs to wait. Or, you know, we might just not do a loop for now. So, break loop. And we can also do erase event. So it won't even repeat. Okay. It's global or parallel. Let's test for now what we have in our hands. I'm pretty worried because the first test is even always never works. Yeah, I figured. Scale change. I think we missed a global variable. Ah, here. Scale change. No, yeah, because all the names need to be global. Oh! Yeah, the two problems. First, it shrank on the left. Second, I forgot the head doesn't need to move. Also, let's exaggerate the scale change. I will increase the value, okay. So we can see if it goes on the left or not, because it goes on the left. That's awful. Still, not that many bugs. Why doesn't it go on the left? Oh no, it should move right to compensate on the shrinking on the left. Why doesn't it? The original position, it should go on the right, based on the image width. Why doesn't it? It doesn't move. This is the scale change. Why? Image width is... Maybe it's another global variable that overrides this one. I don't think so, but just in case. Shrink shift, let's call it. Position X plus, yeah, should be correct. Shrink shift. I get the value of the third image, so it should be fine. Let's do another test, but I fear it will be identical. We might need some extra words. Identical. I will see later how to shift it on the plugin code. Let's get a direct alert of shrink shift, which at this point it's the width of the image. Let's see. 0. Okay, I think that's a problem. I think that might be a problem, actually. Why it's 0? Why it's 0? Well, since we are hard coding now, I think it's okay if we put the direct value inside. Okay, how much it's wide? Okay, 1357. 1357. This one is useless now. Okay. Now it might work. Or maybe I need to split it in half. Yeah, I need to split it in half because I use the half sides. Okay, so this split too. I don't even put the number. The engine will do the calculations. Okay, and finally we have it. Still weird having the neck split. If I should completely remove the neck from it. Yeah. I should remove the neck and only keep this part. Let's see. Sounds hard, but I think it's not a problem. Let's do it quick. I can do it later easily with the base project file, but for now. Okay. Let me duplicate. I will remove from there, and I remove the rest from there. And then we add it here. Yeah. There's still a split, a line in between, but for now, yeah. Let's not think about it. Okay, okay. I will do it later better if this works. Okay. Still awful. There is some pieces here, so maybe I should place something below. Here. Not the best, but not the best, but I will do. That's a really weird neck. Yeah, I need to be. I'm not here to make a perfect, correct artistic fix, but just to make it decent. Okay, okay. That might be considered a neck. Yeah, but if it shrinks, I need to put maybe more pink below. Well, I don't think I need to, but just in case, okay. Just in case. Let's hope it will do. Okay, okay. Oh no, I need to find the folder again. I might save it here for now. Okay. So this is the body, the hero cut. Improved version. And the hero head. With out the neck. I hope it doesn't mind. He seems pretty fine about it. Face, floating head. Here it is. It's more head without a neck. It's 100% more neck. More head without a neck. Okay. Of course, this effect is exaggerated, so I don't think I need that much fixes, but yeah, that's better. It still is exaggerated, but well, way exaggerated. Let's make it more realistic. I don't know how much, but just a 3% reduction for every braiding. It's too low. And too slow. In how much time do you braid? I can't count and braid together. It's probably 2 seconds. But now it's only the air out. It's still a pretty... I don't like the final effect, but we will see at the end. Maybe 5% reduction. That's weird that the head doesn't move though. But let's try. Okay. Let's try also the expanding. Let's get 5% more. Scale change up. Okay, so this is the loop. So it will take time, but time. Let's hard code here a 2-second wait. And let's move it on the other direction. Expanding. So what does it mean? For now I might need increase shift, which is this number multiplied by the scale change up, which is the how the character needs to move on the right this time instead of left to balance the shrinking or expanding. We just need to change a bunch of letters, a bunch of terms here, like this time shrink shift. It's increase shift, never mind. Position A, Y, scale change up. And all identical. Okay. Then other weight. Should we start drawing the picture widened? I will double. No. I will reduce the scale change because it will go double distance if it also widens. Let's see. 2 is not a function. Ah, really? Oh, because there is no operation here. Okay. Let's see. Increase shift not defined. Crea I got it wrong. Increase. It's always spelling mistakes. I don't like. There aren't too many. The problem is. No, it's wiggling. The problem is it's going random. It's flickering. I don't really like it. Unfortunately though, the effect doesn't seem so bad. But it's flickering, it's pretty bad. Why it's flickering? It doesn't. I think that's the pixels. That's the... Oh, maybe because the image is too big. Maybe it's the compression. That's pretty awful. Let's, for now, have the full scale for the character. So, not split in two. Let's try the full scale. 100, 100. Will be bigger, but I think the problem is on the compression. Or we can try to activate Visustella, but I don't know. Let's see. Okay, for now, let's see. That's fine, actually. That's fine. That's fine. So maybe I really need to have smaller images. I don't like the idea though. Let's try activating. I don't even have Visustella base. Ah, okay, never mind. Here it is. Let's try halving the images. Pretty bad though that the RPG Maker compression works in this way. Okay. Let's see if the core engine option is activated. I think it's quality of life, is it? Yeah, pixel image rendering. Well, doesn't matter which option I choose, it ruins some effects. Let's see. That's better. I didn't update a value though. Which value? Why now it doesn't... why it doesn't work now? I set the scale here and here. I don't think it's the Visustella fault this time. Yeah, it's not. There is a change that I forgot to reinsert. It probably is. The shrink shift doesn't seem to count now. Why? Before it worked. The shrink shift now doesn't work. I want really to try it with the Visustella. Even if well, maybe with a new tie-set, I don't know. No, the problem with Visustella core is that it ruins the zoom. Doesn't do the shrink shift this time. It doesn't move right the picture. Maybe it's a rounding problem. Let's return to the wider numbers. Maybe it's a rounding problem. No, at all. Shrink shift. I don't need to print it again. It needs to apply here. 50 here. Pause X. Shrink shift divided by 2. That's it. That's the value. Let's print it again, I get it. We will alert everyone how much a variable is worth. Yeah, it has a number. A pretty low number though. 1.3. That's not the number I want, right? Yeah. How so? No, maybe it's fine. No. No, it's not. Shrink shift divided 50. Wait, no, it was divided by 2. Divided by 2. Oh no. That's a problem. I made a change, but it was the wrong change. Okay. Still flickering or pixel lagging. That's pretty awful to see. But maybe with Core Engine it will do. I don't need this anymore. No, still a problem. Even in full screen. It's first of all, let's revert it again here on 97 1.3 because it doesn't need to be exaggerated, but still I need to be fluid. Also, I should remove the neck out of it. Yeah, it's more complex than I thought. Just for the fun. What happens with the pixel rendering? Well, the image will be really worsened a lot, so it's not an option. It is. That's even worse. No. Well, still not a reason to use Core Engine for now. Still weird that if I don't move it on the right, it's nice. It's decent to see. I think I might need different resolutions. But I want to keep a higher resolution so I can zoom. I want to zoom a lot on the picture actually. I like the idea of the character moving. I might... let's try another thing. Let's try to see how the reduced image will be. We now reduce the image size, which is pretty small, pretty pixelated, since it's the exact size it appears on the screen. So let's see. Let's see how... no. Hero face floating head mini. And for the rest, it's Hero Cat Mini. I will remove them later, but of course we need to insert them in the game to test now. Okay, let's return to the full size. Maybe this number will be different now though. Let's see. Well, if of course it's different. 679. No, is it? It's the half, so it should be the same. Maybe depends on how it rounds it, but we keep it here for now. Only thing we need to change is the scale here to 100 again. And change the portrait we will show. Floating head mini and Hero Cat Mini. Okay, let's see. Now we had the same proportion pixel ratio. Okay, let it zoom. Okay, now the image is big as much as shown in the game, but even now there's a pretty weird effect. Maybe because it's weird, it's like it's vibrating. Maybe I'm some pixels off. Let's see if I like reduce one. I will try then to add one to see if I'm 1 pixel off and does some weird things. I don't know. Why? How is it moving? I can't even explain why this is happening. one of the funniest bugs. You see me bouncing. I will revert to the full size for now, because the problem is not luckily on the image compression. That's nice to know. Okay. Oh, I didn't change the shown image. Okay. No. Don't run this. Okay. So let's see with 1 pixel less. It's funny every time. Let's stop it at the right time. Ha! Almost! Ha! No! Almost there. Let's try again. Ha! Yeah! I won! I'm having too much fun with the bugs. Okay, why is it happening though? I forgot to update some value. Maybe it considers -1/2 instead of 1. That's probably it. Yeah, I should write the correct number instead of -1, but you know. Okay. That's the same, but while increasing, it was worse. So maybe if we do +1, let's see the other pixel off. We'll do better. Maybe because... No, because there aren't so much pixels, that's probably it. How much frames does it have? Doesn't seem like 60 frames. If we do faster, maybe? Maybe also the speed is relevant. Too slow, I don't think that's optimal, but let's see. That's not the speed. Also, it stops on the middle because I said to wait another different value. It's fine, it's fine. I don't need alert. Maybe, do I need it? I will need to make something. I think... I need... Wait! The increase shift, I need to repeat it every time? Or... No, I do not. I forgot if I need to repeat this part entirely. I don't think so though. There is a loop here, right? It's a 4, it's a 4. No. It's a 4 for drawing the picture. How much does it repeat? Okay, everyone. What does repeat? Okay. This interval. Also that's the only thing that repeats. Yeah, I don't need to change anything else. Okay, so, again, to repeat, I get the image width, and using the percentage of the final braiding image, I will get the value. That means the horizontal shift when the image shrinks or expands a little. But at the end of the movement. Yeah, but it's right, since this is a single command that moves the image. A single one. Should I maybe do it each frame? Probably. Oh, Michael! How are you doing? Today we are trying to make a breathing effect on the character, but I think with RPG Maker it's pretty hard to do, so I might have to to remove the idea. Something like this, but you see the pixels moving. I don't think it's doable with RPG Maker. Unfortunately though, the effect is pretty nice. Also with the closing eyes later. I was trying some other tactics, like while adding 1 pixel might change something, but it was not like it. If I had like 4 pixels, I didn't try though to use the floor or to round up the numbers. Yeah, it doesn't change that much. Well, just for science, let's reduce by 3, which is odd number since I will divide by 2. Sigma managed to do it. Yeah, maybe... okay, thanks, someone at least found the solution. I think so it might be a problem of pixels resolution. One effect, achievable increasing and decreasing size of the sprite. That's what I'm doing. But there's a problem about pixels. I don't like the effect because you can see pixels moving. It's not a... It's like the image is vibrating. Maybe I don't have the right values. I set the wrong values. Let's see. So, math.floor, we will round down. And we will round down even here. Wait, maybe we need to round down here. Yeah, here. Yeah, I saw also that Visustella made something, but it's... First of all, it's too much exaggerated. Second, you can't edit Visustella, so... That's not a solution. Okay, I rounded down, so we won't have floating numbers. Let's see. I didn't set something. Alert. I forgot an operator, probably. Yeah, there are too many open parentheses here. Or... No, it's right. Where I forgot something. Maybe math floor is not right. Wait. Right just before Lolo posted something about damage formulas, but I was right there at a floor, so let's see. Math, no, that's random. Ecco, math floor. That's right. I wrote it correctly. So 1, 2, 3. The parentheses are correct. I should read again the... Yeah, it was shrink shift, it was... Ah, maybe I wrote it wrong. Yeah, I wrote it wrong, right? No? Maybe I can't call it inside of it? No. Ah, the operator. Sure. That's the operator, as I said at the start. Why the jet gem disappeared? No, I'm trying to alternate between them. But since the release of the Steam page and the demo of Respawn Banter is closed, I wanted to make some other changes here. Yeah, rounding down doesn't seem to help. Maybe I really just got some calculations wrong. I will do it next week. I'm doing 1 week Respawn Banter and next week, other week Jet Jam. Also because Respawn Banter I can't do a lot of things on stream. Even if I wanted, since writing dialogue on stream is hard. Don't know why. With the ceiling maybe. Instead, let's round up. I don't... Wait, if I'm rounding up... I don't need to round the numbers inside. Here. Imagine submitting the demo of a commercial game, it's the bug room. Yeah, it would never happen, Michael. You know, it will never happen with any game. On stream the effect is decent. No, never mind. Even in stream you can see the pixels. It's like, yeah, it's like it's vibrating. Maybe instead of moving it, I need to show images each frame. Yeah, but becomes pretty heavy the game if I show an image each frame, or I move the image each frame. It's hard to see. Well, you can see the image shrinking and enlarging, but you see really some movement, some vibration. I don't think I have the numbers wrong. Let's see. Yeah, 1357. It's the same. You have to use the software to fix the whole thing and the whole game for free. It will never happen again. Surely. The first one was smooth, now it's more irregular and hard to follow. First one? There wasn't a smooth one. Okay, the only smooth one actually, it was the full size one. Let's work again with the... with the full size of the picture. Okay, now the picture is full size. We won't see it very good, in a very nice way, but you can see. No, even here there's the movement flickering. Even less noticeable. It's not really noticeable, but I assure you there is some sort of vibration. It's less noticeable because the image is wider. So the movement you see it even less. Best effect. Oh, you didn't see before the body was moving left and right, and I tried to pause the game to make it match the head. It was a very fun game. Yeah, this one seems good, but I assure you again, there is still some vibration. So that's not right. That's not about... that's really not about the size or the resolution. It's really about the code. I got something wrong on the math. But I'm pretty sure I did everything right. If I put whole numbers, they are not really whole numbers, but if I put bigger numbers, I think it's pretty less noticeable, but that's not how I want the game after all. No, it's still noticeable. Also, I think I maybe should cut some borders on the PDF, since there is so much space on the right. That's not usually used, except when he pulls his hand forward. So that's probably why the picture seems to move more on the right. But still, that's not a problem now. It's the breathing one. Breathing. Whichever it is. That was truly a chaos head. Noah. No, maybe the problem is on the center of the image. Because the center has for example, see the center of his shirt. Seems to like flicker slightly on the pixel on the right and on the left, and that's a pretty awful effect. Again, that's exaggerated, this animation, but it happens also on lower numbers. Let's put the previous values here. Let's put lower values. I don't think it will change much, but let's see. At least we can see if it's better. Oh wait, with lower values it's more noticeable. Wait, we could use this to check bet. Wait, if we use just one, if you don't change anything, what happens? Okay, still okay. I don't know what I was expecting. Some explosion probably. Let's put the lowest numbers. We lower the values. I don't think that's a values problem for now. It's the mathematics behind them. Now it's way more noticeable. I get it! I get it! The problem is the whole values. The sides can get float numbers, but the position is always in integers. That means if I enlarge the picture by 1 pixel, to center it I need to place it half a pixel on the right, but I can't. So when it enlarges 2 pixels, I can place it 1 pixel on the right, but not before. So, what does it mean? What does it mean? What can I do? I need to do frame by frame. I need to do frame by frame. That's what I need to do. Told ya. No, what it told me. It's not the enlargement problem, it's just the resolution. It's a resolution problem. If I had more pixel, you wouldn't see this error. Because again, it's enlarging by 1 pixel, but can't move by half of it to center the position. Wait, there is a solution. No, there is a solution. There is a solution. It's to center the image on the middle. That's the only solution. Center the image on the middle. And now the images are centered on the corner. No, do them. Wait, do them. 0. Oh no. If I change the center position, I need to reprogram or change values of everything. Oh no. For now, let's try. I have a backup for this. Okay, let's change the numbers. Okay, let's find every occurrence of this. 0 is centered on the corner, on the top left corner. While the other value is probably here, okay. 0 is upper left. 1 is centered. So I need to change this one to 1 everywhere. Let's go. Let's change. Not this one. Okay, never mind. Not this one. Only those ones. Not this one either. Is it? Wait. Image ID. It's show picture. Ah, okay, show picture as an extra parameter. The ID, the image file, and then the position. Wait, that means I can change. Wait, I can test it even without changing anything. That means I just need to change this value. This value. I just need to change this value to test it. There's no point in changing everything and then discovering it doesn't work. Let's use the OK values. And let's see. It will be centered more on the left, but we can still see it. Doesn't seem nice. We can move it in a more decent position, probably. Plus 300 and plus 200. I'm a light-headed. Whee! Yeah, he has the head on the clouds. Okay, please come here. Not the correct position, but it's just for seeing the complete picture. Still doesn't work. Still pretty bad, actually. It's better, but not the solution. Yeah, because there are not a lot of frames. Also, I need more time. I should do it even more slow. But it only becomes worse. Come here. He will center. Yeah, it's even worse. I was thinking sometimes about using another engine, but it's too much work to learn about a new one. Even if, I don't know, should be nice. It's a Lisa boss. The hero ate too many joy. Okay, just to see the problem. Let's use the least possible values. So we can maybe pinpoint down the problem better. Wait, the problem was maybe because I'm... No, okay, now the problem is way clearer. We don't have many pixels. So it's really flickering. Maybe if we code like every frame a different... Wait, no, wait. If I use the full resolution... I think the problem might be that I'm forced to use whole numbers on the move picture. Let's see the code for it. Let's see, where is it? Move picture. Maybe if I find a way to get move picture... I don't know how it works though. Not move picture, any show picture, accepting whole numbers or numbers, float numbers will do, but I don't know how to do it. For Lisa, now it's worse. All the joy's fault. I think instead of trying to fix the base code or change the base code, we might need to find a way to show pictures in our way. Though I don't remotely know how to show a picture. But we could use another plugin to move a picture. How do we want it? Where was it? Probably was Galv. Was probably Galv. Let's see. Galv has an effect that I used on Respawn Banter. The collapse one. Probably here. No. Where is it? I'm pretty sure that's here. No? Where there are different effects on character stalking. On images, so. Maybe this one. No? No, never mind. Okay, maybe that's another one. Maybe that's not Misustella. Master. Please be master. Yeah, it's master, it's master. Picture effects, here it is. Let's try it right away. Let's see which effect we need. And see if it works. Let's start here right away. Okay. They are all very exaggerated. But okay, this effect, but only horizontally. This works pretty well here. This works perfectly. But this effect is exaggerated, that's why I wanted to use one for my own. But if I use this one and edit it to only go horizontally, might be perfect. Let's see the rest. Yeah, it's very exaggerated. That's a base effect though. I used this effect for the hero getting slapped. Okay, I was just looking for this effect. And I already have the plugin on the game, which is picture effects. That's only what I need. Oh, hi Lollo! Seeing those leaves and flowers, what are you doing? No, Lollo, just in this moment! No, we're trying to see if a plugin I'm using has a special effect. And I opened the master demo of, well, the one and only Moganter to see if it has that effect. That's what we need. Is it Moganter? No, this one is Master maybe. It's not Moganter. Moganter is only Vixace probably. No, it's Moganter, okay. Had to comment on Moganter's demo. Okay, yeah, it's Mog. Wait. There are no instructions. Well, we don't need instructions. We just need to know how it works. Because I tried to do that thing, but the simpler thing was to use another plugin after all. As always. Here it is. Okay. I would need to check what effects are activated. Probably here. Okay, so ocean, blinking, float. No. Where is it? Maybe it's blink. No, ecco. here, the breath effect. Ah, it can only be horizontal. That simplifies things a lot. Okay. I can just use that for... I can just use that. That's easy. Instead of all this stuff. Okay. Let's make it simple. It was that simple. No. It was that simple. Picture effect. Breath effect. On the third image. Only third one. Only horizontal, please. And please reduce the effect, it's too much. It's very exaggerated effect. I should delete that one, otherwise it will repeat. Okay. I need to center the image on the middle, right? Still, why doesn't anything happen? No. Why? Why isn't anything happening? Let's see without Mog. Now Lisa is made in Unity. With some different music and sound effects. Ah, really? So it's a remastered of Lisa. That's nice to know. I'm curious to see how it goes. Still, I don't think you needed one remastered. Why now it's not working? I would read the instruction if there were instructions. Maybe I need to put 100% for now. Because if you breathe 50%, I don't know how much it's healthy. I think you have legit the Mastered of Painful since you bought it. But it's completely done now, or it's still in progress? Because I will check it later anyways. It's not... Ah, yeah, okay, the problem is... I don't need a parallel process now for everything. I just put it here. Please, work! Ah! Let's get both of them, just in case. Maybe it doesn't work, it isn't programmed. No. It's finished, but it's bad. There maybe... well, I don't know how to say it in English. As long as they still are a way to play the original one on Steam. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Let's undo those changes. Okay. I'm trying to make a plugin work, but it doesn't like me. Picture effects. I swear I don't get it. Maybe I need something else. Let's see the simpler one here so we can check how it works. The simpler one, let's go. Animated. No. Why it's always exaggerated? No. The simpler one is probably this one. I don't have to call these ones because it's another plugin. Also interesting, they show the images on the upper left, so it's compatible. Maybe I need to activate first character mode, whatever it is. No, it doesn't need here. Or does it? Wait, maybe it does it. Yeah, maybe it does need a skit mode, whatever it is. I would love to read the instructions if there were instructions. Let's get the skit mode. Let's get 83. Blink interval, I don't know. Talking, no. I don't have the sprite for that. I think it will give me a problem since yeah, I don't have the full image. Yeah, maybe it requires specific images, specific names for the image. I might look about it later, probably. Okay, Michael, thanks for coming by. See ya on the next adventure. Okay, yeah, it uses the skit mode, probably the way to activate the picture here. So I need to set something before. Yeah, I need to set something. Because it takes the ID of the character, not the ID of the image. I would love to know where to set the ID. Attiva o modo personaggio. Should be this one. Yeah, it's probably this one. So we need to see how to define everything. Or maybe I should open the plugin right away. First of all, pictures. Here it is. The one with the eyes, right? Mouth and eyes. Okay, okay. I just need to check the plugin after all. So let's get right away. Breath effect. Okay, here. That's simple. No, because that's not the final one. Okay, here it is. That seems simple. Simple, well, not really, but at least it's only one half of a screen. That's not an entire collection of commands after all. Mog is not very clear in terms of distraction. Well, I will check the code myself. Like Thanos. Fine, I'll do myself. Was it Thanos? I forgot. Oh well. So, set the peak breath effect. Requires 3 parameters. The ID, animation mode, and power percentage. That's the data, right? Yeah, power, mode, and there's no ID. The ID is probably outside. Okay, let's see. It's kinda complicated. Okay, so the mode is here. Birth effect mode. No, here setups everything. They will use it later. Let's see. Well, no, they set values and they use it in the entire code. I'm hurting inside. That's not even right English, but never mind. That hurts. I think it's faster to make it work like the plugin intended. That's probably faster. Maybe there are instructions on the site. Maybe. I wasn't expecting this to become a plugin stream, a plugin seeking for instruction stream. Let's see the site. Maybe here it's explained. Yeah, it's explained. It's explained better than the plugin itself. Yeah, actually Mog has pretty nice plugins. The problem is they are very exaggerated, so you need to resize them a little. At least there's the option to reduce the effect of the breathing or only horizontally, which helps a lot. Okay, let's see. Can I... Wait a minute. I used the plugin before without having to set anything. When the hero was lapped, I used the plugin to make him collapse. Let's see. On the second banter. Right there. No. Later. When there are a lot of sounds. Here it dies metaphorically. Here I did 3, both collapse. That's it. I just need to set the value. Why does this work and not the other one? After all, I set the value of the character. That was simple. I put maybe. Okay, let's do a test. Instead of collapse, let's do the breath effect. And we will wait here and see. Okay, only on the third one, but it's okay. Let's do a quick test. Oh wait, I need a new game. At least I have the skip function, which helps a lot. Before it was such a long amount of time to wait. Wait, the skip, I forgot. Okay. You need to wait a long amount of time to test everything. Now I have the skip, so it's fine. Okay, no, you can't skip this one. I should place a skip even for this one. Just for testing, after all. Yeah, even... No, this one doesn't have skipping. I'm not really consistent with skipping. I should keep a save. Here. Okay. Yeah, I shouldn't skip here. Just to see if the breathing effect works. Also, the effect is applied only to one image, so I need to place it also on the eyes or just the body at this point. I place it here, right here, the effect, because I'm pretty sure the effect works here. Maybe the breathing doesn't work if I hit now? No, it just doesn't work. Just the image disappears. That's... The image completely disappears. Also, you can see here that Leven is cut below. I need to fix it later. How we place a mark on the stream? Here. Ah, that's it. I thought it was a deep explanation of everything, but no. Just this. Pretty unfortunate because I can't use this with respawn banter because I will need a lot of those just for every expression. Weird because it's only the body moving, the sprite moving. Skit mode feature, maybe there's another... Yeah, a private video, never mind. No. Let's see. So here I show picture 1 and picture 2. I might try the opposite. Actor 1-1, pause. Let's see what happens if I use Actor 1-1 instead. Just that. Or I need a file called pause for that. No, okay. You can use only one file. So why doesn't the hero work? And what happens if I remove the character mode and I just have the breathing effect? I removed it. I'm pretty sure I removed it. I removed the effect. Why does it still go? Well, just in case, let's remove even the breathing effect to see where the problem stands. Since it doesn't explain anything, it's still fine or fun exploring this one. Yeah, I don't get it. I blocked everything. I skipped everything. Why does it still work? Let's wait more. I like experimenting, so if I find what doesn't work... Oh! I never noticed the fact when I click stars appear. Really not necessary, but pretty fun. Okay, interesting. The sprite is still split. Why is that though? I don't know why. Should I... Depends on the image maybe. Let's try another random actor. Maybe that's why the hero before doesn't appear, because it got me the third part. No, not really. Why is it divided? Let's wait before. So Priscilla doesn't even appear. Well, it does appear, but doesn't have any effect applied to her. Okay, so Priscilla is right. It's fine. But I skipped it. Oh, because by default clips images. What do you mean clips? I don't get it. Automatically clips an image, but where, when, how, why? It's not a global common event on the map. Show HUD, party HUD, gold HUD, variable HUD. I'm extremely confused right now. I will test it later after the stream. That's way too much complex. The portraits get split. I have zero idea on how to make it work. Okay, I will maybe stop here because it's at the end. Not at the end, but now maybe it's more complex on finding how the problem comes out. I still find it fun, but I don't want to exaggerate. I'm doing a developing stream, not a find the exact code I need stream. Well, okay, sometimes yes, I do, but not today. Okay, not today. Yeah, we didn't do anything today, worth of notice, but we made some steps on how to at least slightly animate the characters. I don't still know if well, the game doesn't really need it, but it might help. And if I find a way to insert it in the game, might be of great help. So I'm not still sure if I will make it work, but I will try it. Okay. I will try to again find by my own how it works, and I hope for the best after all. Okay. Let's raid. Let's go for Ferky. Okay, perfect. Okay. We will do another RPG Maker stream next week. I might alternate between this one and the other one, the gem game. And yeah, other than this, there are the weekend streams. That's all. Thanks a lot for coming by, and we see ya whenever happens.